Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can quickly search for your favorite emails that you have stored on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series using Gmail. So first, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And on your home screen, you want to swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, you want to tap on the Google folder. Once the Google folder opened, tap on Gmail, and in the Gmail email content list, you want to tap on the menu key in the search box here. So tap on the menu key on the left hand side, and from the pop out, you want to tap on star right here, and in star it will show you all the emails that you have star or favorite, and in here you can open it up to view the content of the email. And once you have finished, you can also leave it as it is, or you can unstar by simply tapping on the yellow star on the right hand side here, and that will be basically unstar an email. And you can see as soon as I unstar the email, it will be removed from the star list right here. And that's it. So when you unstar an email or unfavorite an email, it will go back to the inbox. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.